Hello, Thursday, July 18th, 2024. Jason Shapiro, Crowded Market Report. So, today's market action, it's tough to really say anything too good about it because we had, some kind of positive news come out of the big Taiwan semiconductor, and the market tried to rally on that overnight and in the morning, and it didn't last very long. We started going down, and then we went down pretty hard on the Nasdaq, leading it, and on the way back, and then came back a little bit. But so not a very good reaction. And for people that haven't been trading a lot, we see this a lot. You have a market now that has been weak for a week or so, and you get a piece of positive news, and everyone wants to be like, "Oh, that's the catalyst to buy again," and that's usually not good. I always say the best catalyst is when bad news comes out and the market can't go down on that. That's the catalyst to buy. You don't chase good news, and just like you don't short bad news, at least I don't. I like when the market tells me, hey, here was bad news, the market went up anyway. That's when I will look to be long, and that's kind of what went on today. I would say if I'm going to say something positive about today, you can look that the Nasdaq around noontime started to lead the market. It was lagging the market the whole way down, and about noontime it stopped going down, while the other indices you can see went down more, right? That's the S&P, that's the Dow, and that's the Russell, right? And here's noon, right? So Nasdaq did start to lead midway through the day, which is a first positive possible sign. Don't know what it says about tomorrow, we'll find out, but that's kind of what I saw today. Not really a time to be taking risks to the long side here as I see it. Do I think that the market topped? Do I think that this is the big crash of the AI bubble and all that? No, I don't. As always, could be wrong about that, but I don't. Fortunately for me, I have no positions in the equity indices here, so I don't got to worry about it. I can sit here and watch it with an unbiased mind, and I can wait for opportunity to present itself as the market starts to confirm what those opportunities are. So that's kind of my view. It's going to be interesting tomorrow. We get the COT positioning, and given the move that's happened in the Nasdaq since the last data came out, and the move in the Russell and all that since the last data came out, it's going to be really interesting to see what happened with the positioning here. And of course, we'll be talking about that on Friday night, and also over the weekend on the report, etc. And that's really it. We'll see how this stuff reacts tomorrow. We'll see if this Nasdaq can continue to lead, which I think is the first thing towards recovery for the stock market. And again, we will see how the COT comes out. Excited to see that. Okay, so those are the thoughts for today. I hope everyone had a good one, and we'll talk again tomorrow.